Yes, indeed, in St. Petersburg. It's 1101, right, Ray?
1101.
1101 First Avenue South. 1101 First Avenue South. You can see Tropicana Field from here. It's called Dr. Barbecue. And because of Ray Lampe right there, he is Dr. Barbecue. He teamed up with the folks who brought us Datz and Dough and Roux over in South Tampa. Well, now they are in St. Petersburg with Dr. Barbecue. And because Ray can't be here all the time, he's the guy that's helping with the concept. You have to have a pit master of all pit masters. And so they went to Texas and they found this guy right here. Lee is the pit master for Dr. Barbecue. Lee, where in Texas were you?
I started out in Lockhart, Texas. I ended up moving to College Station and helped open another concept for the original owner of Kreitz Market.
College Station, they're a little school. They play football there here.
Yeah,
they tried to.
School, you know, Texas A&M.
Yeah, I've heard of them. Sorry. Different side of the SEC over here, Lee.
What he's not saying is Kreitz Market, a 100-year-old barbecue restaurant in Texas, maybe the most famous barbecue restaurant anywhere.
Exactly. Lee is the real deal, Ray. He's not going to brag on himself. This guy has street cred in the barbecue world.
Yeah, I mean, we wanted, you know, I'm not going to be here every day. I do what I do. I'll be out there greeting with folk. We needed somebody solid to man the pit every day. Yeah. We found the right guy. Lee is the man.
Lee, so tell me about the barbecue, Lee. Would you call it Texas barbecue? I'm a North Carolina guy. My barbecue is a little different than your barbecue. Or is the barbecue you're going to serve here kind of universal?
You could say universal. Really try to stay away from Texas. You know, we've had the conversation several times. You know, within the state alone, you know, in Texas, you know, there's dozens of different styles. And
don't label it. Right?
Yeah, it's hard to define. You know, just Texas barbecue.
Right. It's just good food.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
By the way, 23 vegan options. I like to remind you of that.
Not right now, though. Not these.
Lee, let's go through it. What do you got right there?
All right, sir. These are the Korean-style baby back ribs. It's a soy gochujang reduction, so it has a little bit of earthiness and a hint of spice, sir.
Okay. This is
smoked turkey. Hard to beat. Got a good brine on it. Slow smoke. It's juicy. It's moist. Fantastic.
Ray, you love that too.
That's my personal favorite turkey.
What's that right there?
All right, sir. This is I would call this a central. If I was going to regionalize, I'd say this is about as central Texas as you get in terms of brisket. Salt, coarse black pepper.
Oh yeah.
Slow smoke, sir. Absolutely.
This is the real deal. And we're using certified Angus beef because we think it is absolutely the best we can find.
Good for you. Some brats, sausages?
Actually, these are from a couple friends of mine down in Elgin, Texas. This is a jalapeno cheese sausage from Southside Market, sir. We would bring them in, so a little taste of home there.
Wow, nice.
Yes, sir.
What you got right there?
This is another brisket just cut in.
And what does that mean?
Oh, just a couple of slices taken off of it.
Oh, okay. All right, I'm
yes,
with
sir.
you. And we got some more. There's some dry ribs over there.
Yes, sir. St. Louis ribs. You know, salt and pepper. That was a thing that we did at Kreitz Market. We use spare ribs, but with this cut, it's more uniform. It's better for eating.
What's cool as I look at the menu, please, Dr. Barbecue. If you want basics, if you just want doggone it, just give me some brisket and salt and pepper and a sweet tea.
Gotcha.
You can get it.
Yes, sir.
But if you want more of a foodie experience, if you want something maybe a little different that you never thought of, you're challenging yourself to create those dishes as well.
And that was a lot of the allure in moving to Florida is, you know, I got to kind of break out. I got to have fun, you know, explore different cuisines, different cultures, different regions, and you know, everyone has barbecue worldwide, and so why not have fun with it?
Yeah, good for you. Lee, welcome officially to St. Petersburg. Welcome to the Tampa Bay area. Glad to have you. Glad you're here. Ray, I think you did some fine recruiting there.
Thank you, Charlie.
You did some fine recruiting. All right, when we come back, how about the folks responsible for all of this? There were folks responsible for bringing both these guys together and for designing this beautiful place. We'll catch up with the owners, Russell, good friends of the Tampa Bay area, Datz and Dough and Roux, and now add Dr. Barbecue to their stable of restaurants right here, 1101 First Avenue South in St. Petersburg. Grand opening tomorrow, Russell.
I've made a few pilgrimages
Texas boy.
to Lockhart, Texas for barbecue, just so you'll know that.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Well, now all you have to do, Russell, is come to St. Petersburg because we got Lee. We got him.
That's amazing. That is too cool. All right, see you in a little bit. Thanks.